Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you own the device and unlocking it, because private audio access requires permissions tied to your account. Next, open File Manager and enable Hidden or System Files. This reveals folders that apps hide. Then grant the File Manager app storage permissions so it can read protected directories. Once done, navigate to the app-specific folders, often under /Android/data or /media, so you can locate audio files that were previously invisible to normal browsing. Once you can see hidden folders, go to common locations like /Android/data, /Android/ob, and the app's private directory. These often contain media caches. Use sorting by date or file extension to surface recent audio artifacts quickly, and open file details to check size and timestamps so you know which files are relevant. If file names are obfuscated, use a metadata viewer or audio player that shows tags. This helps you distinguish real private recordings from temporary cache files and avoid deleting. You finish by carefully copying or exporting identified files into a public folder like /music or your cloud drive so media players can index them. If files use a proprietary container, convert them with a reliable converter to a common format such as MP3 or M4A. This preserves compatibility. Finally, verify playback and metadata. If you can't find expected audio, make sure backups are checked, and if necessary, use the app's export feature or contact support. This solves most access issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.